Hi! I am so excited to share with you our activity that we're doing this week for Sunday School. For Sunday School this week, we're making special candles that will remind us that even though we may be waiting for Jesus, we are also still the light of the world, and we can love others just like Jesus loves them. For this project, you will need cardboard or construction paper, things to color and draw with, and a pair of scissors. You may also want to get some glue and some string. You'll need string if you want to turn your candle into an ornament, and you'll need some glue if you're going to use one of the templates that I included in the email. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a candle so that you can draw your own candle on your construction paper or cardboard. But for those who might rather color in their candle and not draw their own, I've put a PDF in the Christian Ed email that you can download to use to cut out your own candle. I've also included two versions of it. One that's a whole candle, and another one that is the candle with the fire, the wick, and the candle separate. If you'd prefer to glue your candle together, you can use glue and put all the pieces together. Come, let's get started. All right, we're gonna take our piece of construction paper. The first thing we want to do is draw our candle. So we're gonna go ahead and draw two lines. And now what we wanna do is sometimes when a candle is lit, the wax gets really drippy. So we also want to draw some of that drippy wax. So we're going to do a C on the top and a backward C on the other top for the beginning parts of the wick dripping. And then we're going to go from this C and we're going to draw a line down and like a giant U going up. So that's a little bit of the wax dripping. And then from there, we're gonna go across, and then we're gonna draw another big U, but smaller than the one before, for a little bit more wax that's dripping. And then we're gonna go across and meet our line to that C, the other backward C. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect all the C's together, just like that. Now, we need to show that this part right here is a little bumped up. So we're gonna start at the top of that first C, and we're gonna draw a little bit around. And then we're gonna go this way and draw around there. There. So now we have the top of our candle. Now at the bottom, we want to show that our candle is round. So we're going to draw a little half circle from the bottom to the top, from the right to the left, so that we can show our half circle. Now we want to draw a wick coming out. And now we're going to draw the fire. What you're going to do is you're going to draw another big U. And then you're going to go to the one side and you're going to put kind of a triangle and then a little C coming out on that side of the triangle. And then in the center, you're going to draw another little tiny flame, another little oval in the middle. Now, on your candle, you can write a special message about how you want to continue showing the love of Jesus to other people. How are you going to be the light? Well, there's a couple things you can do. You could be giving, you could be loving, You could think about being kind, all sorts of things. So on this candle, I'm going to write giving, because I want to remember to be giving to others during Advent. And you can write this in any color you want. On the other side of my cardboard, I made another candle. And this candle says joy. And I also made it with boxed letters so that I could color in the words later for my candle. So once you've drawn your candle, you can do all sorts of things. You could add a dish underneath it that's going to catch all the wax. You can also draw a little handle on your dish, just like an old-fashioned candle holder. You can also decorate this with glitter or sparkly colored pencils or anything else that you want to color it with. So, once you've cut out your candle, it should look something like this. And now you can color it in with anything you want, and you can go ahead and leave it anywhere you want to leave it. If you want to turn it into a Christmas ornament, you can go ahead and poke a hole at the top of the fire, just like we poked a hole in our gratitude ornament that we made last week. And you can put any piece of string you want through it. And if you decided to cut it up into little pieces using the stencil that I included in the email, you can also go ahead and glue different colors together. You could have a different color paper for the construction paper and for the fire. You can do whatever you want to make it represent you and your light. All right, I will see you next week for our 4th activity for Advent. Bye, see you next week.